I ain't gonna get no sub, man. I got food at the house, man.
Oh, okay.
That's how black people stare when they hungry, right there. Do it for the Subway. You ain't gonna do it. Do it for the You ain't gonna do it. Do it for the Subway. You ain't gonna do it.
Oh my God.
Do it for the Subway. He ain't gonna do it. Make a choice, man.
I'm trying to see now, man. You walk in, your eyes gloomy. I'm trying to reach you. Okay, that's what I say. Like I'm good.
Boy got that.
White bread, that's gonna be for show. That's white bread.
For show?
For show, for show.
For show.
White bread all the way.
What else?
Yeah, foot long.
You want a foot long?
That one right there, the chicken one. Not the hot one. Please don't.
Please.
These are plain. Those are buffalo. This one is the teriyaki.
The teriyaki tastes good? I'll try teriyaki.
He'll try the teriyaki. Do it for the teriyaki.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the teriyaki.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the teriyaki.
I can't do it for the teriyaki because I ain't got no Doing good though?
God is good.
Yeah.
Ain't God good? Oh, look at that. My. My.
Don't start.
My. When I think about. When I think about. Oh.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean.
She ain't put wet clothes or nothing, man.
But when I think about, sometimes.
Yeah, toasted.
Toasted.
Sure.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure.
How's your mom? Where's she at?
She got saved.